Clay soil, a gardener's rich but tricky companion. It possesses both nutrient abundance and a propensity for water retention, making it a unique medium for planting. But finding the right flora to thrive in such conditions can feel like solving a complex puzzle. In today's video, we'll explore how to choose and nurture plants in clay soil, transforming obstacles into a flourishing garden. Understanding the challenges of clay soil is the first step. This type of soil compacts easily, restricting root growth and often leading to poor drainage. For plants to thrive, they must be adept at navigating these dense terrains. Imagine plants like daylilies, yarrow, and hostas, robust companions that fare well in heavy soils without fuss. By selecting plants with deep root systems or natural propensity for moisture, you're already a step ahead. But choosing isn't just about endurance. It's also about enhancing the soil itself. Consider adding organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure to improve texture, boosting aeration and drainage. Mulching the surface also helps, reducing compaction from rainfall and temperature fluctuations. Now, let's delve into nurturing. Spacing is critical. Planting too closely can lead to competition for nutrients and limited root expansion. Watering is an art too. While clay retains moisture well, overzealous watering can lead to root rot. Touch the soil, not just the surface, to decide. Yet perhaps the greatest skill lies in patience. Clay soil demands it. Building soil health takes time, but with each season, the soil becomes more inviting. And each plant that settles and thrives becomes a testament to your careful tending. Gardening in clay soil turns challenge into opportunity. It's an invitation to engage deeply with nature's rhythms. Choose plants wisely, nurture consistently, and relish in the transformation of hard earth to vibrant landscape. So the next time you encounter clay, consider it a canvas, ready to tell the tale of resilience and beauty.